Hi all. As you can see, this is an aquarium and you must be surprised that why I am standing in front of you. Yes, everyone is locked down and we are investing and engaging ourselves into new things, learning new things. Yes, I have been a cybersecurity professional, but I have also a good knack of keeping fishes and doing some aquascaping. The thing why I am making this video is very important is people who are wanting to learn ethical hacking or anything related to technology, and they are thinking that why I should invest and learn something. It is very easy that Indian Cybersecurity Solution, we have a YouTube page where all the cybersecurity professionals of our company are making new videos on new topics and it is freely available. So why don't invest your time and learn something? Even you can be a security professional or an IoT guy or anything, machine learning person, and even you with a knack of interest can learn this for free. If you need any kind of details and more information, you can obviously join our courses. And if you like our page and subscribe to our page, it's up to you. But definitely go and visit that page and learn something new. Thank you.